Good morning, student of class 1. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start revision of chapter number 4 using computer do's and don'ts. Okay, chapter number 4 using computer do's and don'ts. This is the syllabus of the first term examination and all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully. Okay, each and every chapter very carefully or your first term examination. Okay, please read each and every chapter line by line for your first term examination. This is the content of this chapter, and today I am going to start revision from B shape and keep the computer clean and be gentle. Okay, so these three topics I am going to revise in this video. Now move on to the main topic. So we all know that our computer is an electronic machine. Okay, the computer is an electronic machine and the computer works on electricity. Okay, the computer works on electricity. So we must follow certain precaution to stay safe while working on the computer. So first precaution is do not pull wires or ports attached to the computer. Here you can see the image here, and this boy is pulling the wires from the computer. Okay, so all of you don't do this. Okay, all of you don't do this. Don't pull wires or ports attached to the computer. Next is do not put your fingers in any slot. Okay, so this girl is doing the wrong thing. Okay, this girl is doing the wrong thing. So all of you do not put your fingers in any slot. Next is if any words comes out, we must call our teacher or an elder to fix it. Okay. Next is keep the computer clean. Next topic is keep the computer clean. So first is do not eat or drink near the computer. And this boy is also doing the wrong thing. Okay. So do not eat or drink near the computer system. Next is always clean the computer with a soft and dry cloth. Okay, always clean the computer with a soft and dry cloth, and this boy is doing the right thing. Okay, so when you want to clean your computer, use a soft and dry cloth, cotton cloth. Okay, next is always keep the computer system covered when it not in use. Okay, next is do not press the keys hard, it may damage the keyboard. Okay, here you can see the boy is pressing the keys very hard. Okay, so the keyboard will be damaged, so all of you need to press the keys very gently. Okay, so otherwise it may gets damaged. Okay, next is do not pull any parts away from the computer. Next is correct posture. Okay, correct posture, do not sit too close the computer screen, it may harm your eyes. Okay, here you can see in this picture the boy is close to the monitor, it may harm his eyes. Okay, so always keep a safe distance from the monitor. Okay, next is always sit keeping back straight. Here you can see this girl is sitting 100% correct posture. Okay, and next is to put your chair at a proper height. Okay, here you can see this chair is a proper height, it may causes some problem when to your back if the posture of sitting is not correct. Okay, here you can see in this image this sitting posture is not correct. Okay, this sitting posture is absolutely correct, and this sitting keep the back straight. Okay, next is be disciplined and well behaved. Okay, so here you can see some children are enter in the computer lab. Okay, this is the computer lab. Okay, so always walk in the computer lab one by one. Here you can see they are entered in the computer class one by one. Okay, and next is do not misbehave with your classmate while walking in the queue. So do not misbehave with each other. Okay, when you are entering on the computer lab. Next is do not disturb other student while working. Okay. Next is do not keep volume of speaker at a very high level. If you keep the volume of speaker at a high level, then your ears will be damaged. Okay. And so always keep the volume low. Okay. Next is do not snatch or snatch the mouse and keyboard from any others. Next is share your computer with others and learn to work in groups. Okay, learn to work in groups. Here you can see the two children working in a group. Okay, this is good habit. Okay, and always share your computer with each others. Next is do not bring a magnet near the computer. Okay, this is the magnet. Magnet means an object that attracts iron. Okay, so do not bring a magnet near the computer, otherwise the computer will be damaged. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, do not bring any type of magnet near the computer. Next is a port means a socket into which a device can be plugged. Okay. Next is slot, a narrow opening present on the CPU to attach other device is called slot. Okay. Next is the question answer part. First is fill in the box, fill in the blanks. Okay. Number one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Okay. This is the words dry, gentle, away, covered. You need to use this word. Okay. So first is number one. We should press the keys your computer gently. Okay. Gently is number one. Okay. Gently. Next is number two. We should keep our computer covered when not in use. So covered is number two. Next is number three. We should use a dry cloth to clean the computer. Okay, so dry is number three. Next is number four. We should eat away from the computer table. So away is number four. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. Next is tick mark. Okay, so put a tick mark from the correct ways of using a computer and cross out the wrong ways of using a computer. So first is work in QE on the computer lab. So this is the correct way to enter in the computer lab. Okay. Next is number two, keep proper distance from the computer screen. This is also the correct way. Okay. Next is number three, clean the computer with a wet cloth. So this statement is wrong. Okay, this statement is wrong. Next is number four, press the keys of the keyboard gently. So this way is the correct way to using your keyboard. Okay. Next is number five, do not touch the wires of a computer when it is on. Okay, so this statement is also correct. Next is make noise the computer room. So this is very bad manners. Okay, don't make any type of noise in the computer room. Next is play music loudly on the computer. So this is also a very bad manners. Okay, so don't play loudly music on a computer. Okay. Next is look at the picture of a computer lab. Okay, so write three sentences about who is showing good and bad manners and how in the space provided. Okay, so first is Surbi showing bad manners. Okay, here you can see the picture of Surbi. Okay, Surbi showing bad manners because she is eating near the computer. Here you can see she is eating. Okay, so this is very bad manner. We all know that never eats or drinks near the computer. Okay, next is Vijay showing bad manners because he is dragging the computer. Here you can see this is the image of a Vijay. Okay, and he is dragging the computer one place to another place. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, next is Rahul and Priya showing good manners. Okay, here you can see Rahul and Priya. Okay, they are showing good manners because they don't snatch the computer and learn in group. Here you can see they are sitting in correct posture and they are working in group. Okay, so they are showing good manners. Okay, next is Hema wants to eat her lunch. Okay, Hema wants to eat her lunch. Take the table on which she should use to eat her food. Okay, so this is the right table. Okay, and this is the computer table. We all know that never eat or drink near the computer. Okay, so this is the right table. Okay, next is activity time. So Aryan has made a poster do's and don'ts in the class computer class lab. Okay, he has made notes to paste to the poster. By mistake, they got mixed up. Okay, here you can see they got mixed up. Help him to place the correct notes under the each of the heading. Here you can see this is the do's heading and this is the don't heading. Okay, so first point is share the computer. Okay, share the computer is do's. Okay, share the computer. Next is keep a proper distance from the monitor. Okay, keep a safe distance, proper distance from the monitor. This statement is. Next is clean the computer with a dry cloth. Okay, clean the computer with a dry cloth. This statement is do's. Okay, next is wait for your turn to work on a computer. Wait for your turn to work on a computer. Okay, so these are the do statements. Okay, next is don't do segment. First is bang hard on the keyboard. Okay, this is the first statement. Okay, bang hard on the keyboard. You don't need to do this. Okay, next is eat near the computer. Okay, eat near the computer. Second statement. Okay, eat near the computer. Next is play music very loudly. And you can see play music very loudly. Next is pull all the wires from the slot. Pull wire all the wires from the slot. Okay, so now this poster is the correct poster. Okay, so these are the do's and these are the don'ts. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand today's topic. Please learn all these question answer and also uh, read the chapter very carefully. Okay, because our first term exam based on mainly based on short questions, so all of you have to read the chapter very carefully. Okay, and also write this question answer on your computer copy. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss some question answer. Okay, so till then take care, goodbye and thank you.